Hi, in this video we will see how to use delete graph nodes component. Sometimes it may happen that there are some nodes which are either not connected to any other nodes, or these nodes are old, or they are created just for understanding or testing purpose. You can delete all these nodes and keep the graph database up to date and consistent. For this purpose, you can use delete graph nodes component. Drag the delete graph nodes component. Here, you can provide the graph DB config or the connection configuration in JSON format. The node label field contains the type of node that you want to delete. The match key contains some attribute of that node. Based on this match key, the node will be searched and deleted. Match value is the attribute value. Generally it is accepted from chat window. The detach mode has two values, true and false. By default, the value is true. If you don't specify any value in this box, then the default true value is considered. With the true value, the node is deleted even if it is connected with other nodes. If you specify false, in that case, the node will be deleted only if it is not connected with any other node. For more understanding of this component, I have prepared one pipeline. In the graph DB config field, I have specified the Neo4j graph database connection properties. Note that Neo4j URI, Neo4j user, Neo4j password, and Neo4j database keys are mandatory. In node label, I specified project as I want to delete the node of type project. The match key is title. Title is one of the attributes of the node project. As I am asking user to provide information, the match value is the input. I am collecting it in user instruction variable from custom script. In detach mode I have not specified anything, so by default, it will consider this value as true and the specified node will be deleted even if it is connected to other nodes. Before executing agent, let's take a look at the Neo4j graph database. If you see, there are total 4 nodes of type project present in the graph database. Suppose I want to delete the R5 project node. Let us execute this agent delete node in graph DB. If I enter the value R5 and run the agent, it returns the message, graph node deleted successfully. Let's see whether the node is deleted. Click on this project and you can see the node is deleted successfully.